Starlink is lowering hardware prices across the board. They've reduced the MSRP of some of their dish models, while there's a special sale going on right now for other models. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the new prices of the Starlink kits, seeing how much money you can save by Starlink's aggressive new marketing push to grow their subscriber base. And we've seen this before, where Starlink adjusts their pricing, whether on the hardware side or the service plan side, to meet demand. So when demand goes down and they see their subscriber growth go down, they'll typically adjust prices to compensate and jumpstart that growth. But let's jump right into it. I want to start with what seems like the most popular Starlink dish lately. Everyone is talking about the Starlink Mini. It's their ultra portable, lightweight, power efficient antenna that can be used just about anywhere. It boasts really impressive performance for its size, and it launched last year at an MSRP of $599. Now that shocked a lot of people, including me, because Elon Musk had made statements implying that it would be around half that cost, around the $200 to $300 mark. But the good news is that if you're in the market for a Starlink Mini and you've been holding out due to the high cost, Starlink just reduced the MSRP by $100. So you can now get the Starlink Mini from Starlink or from third-party retailers like Home Depot for just $499. It seems like demand for the Starlink Mini has finally cooled down a little bit in the United States, and that's probably why we're seeing these reduced prices. Back when it launched in the summer of 2024, it seemed like everybody wanted to get their hands on the Starlink Mini, even at the high price point that it launched at. Shipping times originally were, 1 to 3 weeks out. It was really kind of hard to find a Starlink Mini or get a Starlink Mini. And just due to the supply issues, they couldn't actually launch it worldwide. They had to slowly roll it out. Canada was one of the last major markets to actually get the Starlink Mini, which is kind of surprising since it's the second largest Starlink market. Next up, we have a massive discount on Starlink's high performance dishes. So the actuated high performance and the flat high performance dishes, they're meant for businesses mostly, but they can actually be used on any plan, including their consumer service plans. The high performance units have larger, more powerful antennas. They have a higher field of view, they have more snow melting power, and improved reliability over the standard units. The actuated high performance unit has a motorized antenna that can self-align. It's best for fixed applications, and the flat high performance dish gets rid of those motors and mast, and it's best for mobile applications. Both of the high performance models have been around for years, and they've stuck to their $2,500 MSRP since then. But now Starlink has just reduced that MSRP by $1,000. So you can now pick up either the actuated high performance or the flat high performance unit for just $14.99. Now what's not clear at the moment is if this is a temporary promotional sale or if the MSRP is going to be permanently reduced for the high performance units. As you can see on the Home Depot website here, they indicate that the promotion will last until 4/20. Of course, that's Starlink's sense of humor with that little 4/20 reference. But also on the Starlink website, they seem to indicate that this is a permanent price reduction, striking out the old price and putting in a new one. Now, I speculate that this $14.99 price is the new MSRP because they're trying to clear out their existing inventory. I've seen posts on X from some of the Starlink, technical experts and things like that, where a new high performance model seems to be coming pretty soon. So in my opinion, this is probably just Starlink's attempt at clearing out their old inventory of high performance units in anticipation of the launch for the newest generation of high performance antenna. But whatever the case, if you were in the market for one of the high performance Starlink units that boasts the highest performance and the best snow melting and the best reliability, now is your chance. It's a good opportunity to save $1,000 off of either the actuated high performance or the flat high performance. All right, now we're moving on to the standard dish. So this is kind of the mainstream unit, the most popular selling unit, and the regional savings program is back in the United States and Canada and some other markets as well. So the normal MSRP of the standard dish is $349 in the United States. And the regional savings credit gives you $100 off that price. So you can now get the Starlink standard on a residential plan only for $249 if you live in one of the states on the map on the screen here. Starlink has done this regional savings discount a few times now, so it's pretty common. They kind of bring it back specifically for areas that seem to have low demand for Starlink services. And that's why on the map here you see that it's mostly the western United States, Midwest and Southeast and the East Coast kind of are in that normal price range. And actually a lot of those states have an extra $100 added onto the price in the form of a congestion charge. So they're really focusing on trying to get subscriptions in areas where not a lot of people are using Starlink and they have excess capacity. So that's why that regional savings credit exists, trying to entice people to sign up for Starlink. If you're interested in using that regional savings promotion, just be aware of a few caveats. So you won't be able to cancel your service within the first 30 days. You'll have to pay at least that first full month's bill. You also won't be able to change your service plan to like Roam or something within the first 6 months. And you can't change your service address outside of a regional savings area. If you do any of those things, you will owe that $100 discount back to Starlink. They'll just bill your account after you make one of those changes. So those are all the new prices for all the Starlink models. If you've been in the market for Starlink, if you're kind of on the fence, now is a great time to buy with all of these promotions. You can save a little bit of money. Equipment cost is probably one of the biggest barriers to entry to Starlink. Not everyone can afford to shell out, hundreds of dollars up front to pay for the equipment. And then on top of that, you have, $120 a month for the service. But now with these discounts and lower MSRPs, that'll help more people have access to Starlink, which is a good thing in my book. I'd love to know what you think of the new lower prices and the regional savings discount for residential plans. Is it enough to push you over the edge and get you to sign up for Starlink? Let me know in the comments below. I appreciate everyone that watches, but I especially want to shout out the Dishy Tech channel members. These are the members with their monthly contributions that directly support me producing content like this video. If you're interested in signing up for a channel membership, click the join button below this video. Also, make sure that you're subscribed so that you never miss any of my videos, and I'll see you in the next one.